Hello, I'm Sarah Dekhan Tajani, an Iranian inventor. I've studied psychology. The problem we are facing is that in recent years, especially with the coronavirus epidemic, most of the activities and games of children and adults have been limited to home and electronic devices. But this phenomena causes negative effects and the eyes and brain waves of people, especially children. In addition, some people have ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and ADD, attention deficit disorder. We need creativity that is outside of the mobile and tablet space, and that both entertains and increases one concentration. The name of this creativity is a game device with the ability to analyze and improve the performance of people with ADHD and ADD, which is related to field of psychology. The purpose of this invention is to entertain, increase concentration, and increase patience from the age group of the children to the middle age group. In the psychological treatment room, we are faced with clients who have ADHD and ADD who must either start drug therapy or use physical therapy in related place to treat this disorder. But the alleged plan presents the treatment in the form of a game, increases concentration and attention. This plan has two parts. One, circular-based, two, ring cylinder. First, we charge the base of the device, and after charging, turn on the device and connect to a special application by scanning the barcode. After connecting, the pattern of the first step will appear on the cylinder. When the pattern appears, the player has to tap on the allowed colors and pass through the rings in order. At this time, the player must be careful not to hit the forbidden colors and pass the stage successfully. The game becomes more difficult step by step, but the middle goal of this game is to increase concentration. When a person is playing, his or her feelings include anger, happiness, sadness, and despair, and his or her actions include success, victories, failures, and warnings. Through the processing of the image that is on the beginning of the cylindrical ring, it is recorded and displayed in application that is installed on the person's phone so that it can be sent to his or her doctors and can be viewed. Thanks for attention. I hope the content is useful, suitable, and interesting for you. Goodbye.